this, I'm going to be teaching you how to clean your squishy. So if you want, like, you get, like, markers, but not like a Sharpie, because it might not actually come off. Draw crazy things on it, just to pretend it's dirty, right? And now, get an aloe. That would be like this, aloe. And then put a little bit in here, in the little container, like this much. And then you put the squishy in, and then you add aloe on the top of it, on the top of the squishy, like right what I'm doing right now. It'll look like this, and then add aloe on the cap. So I'm going to be doing that right now. Oh, shoot. Doing that right now. So, I'm putting it in. And then you have to add like a certain amount. It doesn't really matter. It could be as much as you want because it'll still clean. Alright, so I added this much. And now you have to add dish soap. Dump that in. Correct? Alright, I dumped it in. The water, it should be faucet water, but I'm not near a faucet. So just dump as much as you want until I tell you stop. Stop. Alright, now it would look like this. If you don't have the perfect amount, dump some water out. Then you cap it with this on. Shake it, but get prepared. It will leak, heads up. Okay, now you keep shaking. Alright, now I open it. And now there'll be a bubble. Ta-da, bubble. Alright. Now, you take the squishy out with a towel or something if you don't want it getting on your hands. But you need another towel to squeeze it in. And after you squeeze it, rinse it with water on the faucet. That's how you clean your squishy. Bye!